A single glance at these narrow alleyways reveals countless struggles hidden behind every door. Children huddle in cramped homes with no quiet corner to study, while parents, often illiterate or single-handed, long to guide them but lack resources. Financial burdens weigh heavy, leaving families torn between mere survival and education. Health concerns loom: poor hygiene, malnutrition, and an environment rife with conflict, bullying, and noise pollution. Meanwhile, tense family dynamics, marked by parental conflicts and the stress of single parenting, fuel social and emotional challenges, leaving many children anxious and isolated. Surrounded by hopelessness, students face yawning academic gaps, some with special needs left unaddressed. Without motivation, role models, or a vision for success, a future once bright now feels like a distant dream overshadowed by adversity and an urgent need for help. In the face of these overwhelming odds, a renewed spark ignited at IZEDM. Over the last 18 months, we have rebuilt foundations, renovating washrooms, providing proper wudu spaces, upgrading sports grounds, and transforming classrooms into vibrant, interactive hubs of learning. A dedicated pre-primary play area now gives our youngest learners the room to explore, develop motor skills, and discover the joy in every lesson. An upgraded ICT lab equips students with essential digital skills, while a new occupational therapy setup ensures children with unique challenges receive the individualized support they need to thrive. But infrastructure alone isn't enough. We introduced a robust academic program focusing on foundational literacy and numeracy through play, reinforced by a pull-out remediation strategy for those who struggle, along with after-school study hours, phased revision programs, and unwavering faculty guidance. Dedicated handwriting practice sessions strengthen core learning, while our expanding resource network includes a newly set up library filled with inspiring books, audio-visual rooms for immersive learning, a fully designed math lab for hands-on problem solving, a well-equipped sports room to foster teamwork, and a science lab that sparks curiosity through practical experiments. At the heart of each day lies a strong spiritual and moral core. Quran and Islamic classes nurture hearts and minds, complemented by daily assemblies and field trips that broaden horizons. Our teachers, true agents of change, receive continuous training in communication, subject pedagogy, and classroom management, supported by workshops from reputable organizations and government NGOs. Recognizing that growth reaches beyond school walls, we visit homes to console and counsel parents, forging a united front through regular meetings that strengthen trust and engagement. Through events such as student leadership programs, Children's Day, Mother's Day, Pet Day, Telugu Day, we instill a deep sense of identity, unity, and cultural pride. Health remains a top priority, with medical and dental camps ensuring children remain fit and focused. Step by step, these interventions breathe life into dreams once left behind, proving that with compassion, innovation, and relentless dedication, hope can flourish even in the most challenging circumstances. For 4 decades, IZEDM has shaped trailblazers, engineers, community leaders, educators, and business owners. Even now, our current students shine, turning challenges into achievements. Their success proves that with the right support, every seed of potential can flourish. At Imam-e Zamana Mission, IZEDM, our vision knows no bounds. We aspire to create a transformative educational ecosystem that leaves no child behind and prepares every learner for a brighter future. In the years ahead, we envision expanding enrollment from 1,600 to 3,000 students, ensuring access to quality education for even more young minds. We plan to establish open schools and bridge schools to give dropouts a second chance at success, while launching a vocational training center to empower youth with practical, life-changing skills. Our specialized teacher training institute will elevate the standard of education, and the introduction of 11th and 12th grades will unlock higher academic and career opportunities. To nurture innovation, we dream of a cutting-edge STEM lab, advanced science facilities, and world-class infrastructure, all designed to ignite curiosity and foster excellence. We are committed to inclusivity, creating tailored resources classes and spaces for students with special needs. With your support, these bold aspirations can become reality, fueling ambition, breaking barriers, and empowering the next generation of compassionate, capable leaders. Join us in this life-changing mission to empower lives and transform communities. Your support today is the spark that ignites brighter tomorrows. Be the difference, donate today and help us build brighter futures.